Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving Snapchat permission to access your location so the app can show nearby friends. Open Settings in Snapchat, tap See My Location, and allow precise location when prompted. This ensures accuracy. Once done, scan your Snap Map to spot people or toggle ghost mode off so others can find you. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on too. These improve proximity detection even when GPS is shaky. With location active, open the Snap Map and watch for colored Bitmojis or the Add Nearby card at the bottom. Tap Add Nearby to reveal people currently close to you. This uses Bluetooth and local networks to list devices in real time. When you see someone you know, tap to add and send a brief message or snap explaining where you met. If they don't respond immediately, give it a moment. Connections can take a few seconds to register. Finish by confirming friend requests and exchanging a snap so you both appear in each other's lists. If someone isn't visible, immediately toggle your location off and on, force close Snapchat, then reopen. This often refreshes nearby results. Make sure background app refresh and location accuracy are enabled. If problems persist, reboot your phone and recheck Snapchat permissions. Most issues are fixed by a quick restart and permission reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.